Fat Joe is back in the hood Midi in original Blockbusta. Crack on the wall.
You suckers!
Yo.
Happy holidays. We out here.
Who's got a phone that's on 100 for the Uber Eats? Because my phone might die in case they,
You know, every winter at least do one wall with the 004 crew Tesso verse, and you know, just I love to do, I'm addicted to the shit, it's real hip hop. And so I just wanted to do a classic, right? Because we started playing hip hop, we were playing all the classic songs. So I remember I had a joint like this in the Bronx on 3rd Avenue, and this shit was so big. And I just said, you know what, I wanted the traffic to see the joint, so I took it back to the old school and did the Blockbusta 11. I gotta do the background and everything, but you know, this real hip hop, man. You know what I'm saying? Crack TS, TATS, this real hip hop right here, so. Guys don't show their face like that, you know what I'm saying? So it's a whole wall of writers, they don't really show their face, you know what I'm saying? You know, but they kings out here. I only rock with the kings. Never toys, always with the kings. But you know, just trying to, you know, celebrate the holidays with you guys. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what makes you happy. This is what makes me happy. So, yeah, I'll show you the finished product. What's up, y'all? Y'all good? Nori's at the Yonde. Love y'all, baby. Love y'all. Do another 2-3 minutes and then. Bending down enough. And the thing is just like hip hop. Nobody write your rhyme. Nobody can do your piece. Nobody can do your piece. You gotta fill it in, you gotta sketch it. You gotta do everything yourself. Nobody's helping. You gotta do all this shit yourself. Ain't no fake graffiti. Peace, y'all.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.